Hello everyone, James here from 360 Hub. In this brief video, we're going to demonstrate to you how to add call button in WordPress without using a plugin. You can easily add a call now button to your WordPress site, especially your contact page, to increase conversion so that people who are viewing your website from the mobile for their mobile devices can click on the button and place a call straight to you without having to copy the number. I'm going to be demonstrating this with the Divi template. Divi template is one of the best templates for WordPress website for any kind of design. Alright, so to get started, in any page I'll design with Divi, for example, we're going to use this test page. Right, what you want to do is just open the page and click enable visual builder. So we'll click on enable visual builder and wait for the visual builder to load. The beauty about Divi is that you can design anything and you will see what you are designing. You don't have to design and check the page out. As you are designing, you see how your design is going along. You design from the front end. Alright, now the Divi visual builder is open. Now what we want to do is look for a spot to add the button. For example, this section looks good to add the button. Alright, so that we want the button to show only on the mobile device. We can also design it from the desktop view, but we want to design it from the mobile view so that it remains in the mobile view. So what we want to do is head to this settings icon here and click the settings icon, then go to this phone view here and click on it. Now this is going to turn your site to the mobile view that you would normally have, right? So what we want to do is come to this section, and with this plus button we're going to click to add a new row. So we'll click on it. Now when this open, you will see different column, 2 column, 3 column. We're going to choose the single column, so you click on single column. Now when this open, what we want to do is first customize the column to the width that we want. So we're going to open this up and go to design and hit on sizing. We want to make this width 95, right? So I'm going to copy this and paste it right here, 95%, right? After that, what we want to do is click save and exit. After clicking save, now we want to add a button. So on this plus icon for the modules, we want to click on that. Once you click on that, you want to select button here. So you click on button. Now when you click on button, you want to type the text of the button in this, because we want people to call it. It's a call to action. There has to be a call to prompt people to call right away. So we're going to write call now or call us now. Any text that you feel is best for you, right? Call now or call us now, or speak to an agent, right? Depending on the call to action words that you want to use. Now after that, we want to add the phone number we want the call to go to. Right, to add the phone number, what you want to do is just type in small letters. You're going to type then colon, and we're going to add the phone number. We're starting with the plus sign and your country code, right? So in this case, I'm not going to use plus 234 080. I'm just going to write any number here, all right, as the phone number. But the most important thing is this: the tail, the colon, and the plus sign before the phone number with your country code, right? Now after that, what you want to do is go to design, and you go to alignment. We want to align it to center, so we're going to hit on center to align the button to center. Now we want to go to the button proper so that we can customize it, and you can see the button here. So you click on button, and you see the button customizer is off at the moment. What you want to do is turn it on. When you turn it on, you can decide to change the text to make the text bolder, but we want to leave it the way it is, bigger text, the text size here. Now you can decide to change the text color as well. We want to make the text color white, so I'm going to select this to make the text color white. Then we'll scroll down. The background for call icons are normally green, so we're going to select green. Then style it to the kind of green that we want. So we're going to click inside the color box, and we're going to drag this to where we want. We're going to click here and drag it to the kind of green color, the shade of green that we want. Okay, this, we're satisfied with this. What we want to do again is copy this. Let's make this. All right, we'll drag it to the okay, we're satisfied with this green. What we want to do is copy this color code and scroll down, and when you get that, you see the button border width. This is 2. We'll leave it at that. What we want to do is just change the color to green as well. So we're going to paste this color code here and click on it. All right, so the button color code is the same as the border and the background of the button. So what we want to do next is, if for example you want the button to have a radius, you can drag it to any length and you want a radius to form the radius that you want, but I don't want a radius. So in this case I'm going to leave it the way it is at the default 2. I'm going to make it 2. all right, now we don't want a radius. Another thing we want to do is the text. We want the text to be a little bit bolder, so we want to make it semi-bold. Select semi-bold. Right after doing that, we want to scroll down and we want to add an icon to the button, which is the call icon. So we'll scroll to the icon section for the button. I'm going to scroll this down to the call icon we want to use, and you will see the call icon here. So I'm going to select this for the call icon. You can see that the call icon is not displayed yet. What we want to do, only on hover. So you scroll down here. If you hover on it, you see the call icon displays, but we don't want that. We want it to show from the beginning. Alright, so first we want this call icon to be on the left hand side. So I'm going to select this and change it to left. Then where it says only show icon on hover for button, what I want to do is turn this off. So I'm going to turn this off so that you can see the icon here. Alright, another thing we want to do is style the button in a way that it will be full and pronounced on the mobile device. So what we want to do is come to spacing. We'll come to spacing, then we want to hit this icon here to make sure that we have equal padding for both top and bottom. So we're going to click on this. We want to make this just 9. Alright, so we have 9 padding for top and bottom. Then we're going to do the same thing here. Click on this. We're going to make this like 90 and see how that turns out. Okay, 90 is okay. Let's make it let's leave it at 90, or we can make it 100 to make it wide, to make it the width longer. 100 we'll revert to 90, and 90 pixel for the top, for the left and right. Now we'll look at this, whether we are satisfied with the padding, that is the width. If we are not satisfied, you can easily increase it, make it 10 to make it bolder and bigger and more pronounced. Now after that, until we are cool with this, then what we want to do is scroll down and come to burst shadow. I want to add a little bit of burst shadow to the button, so I'm going to click on burst shadow and select a burst shadow to make the button more pronounced. Alright, so we want it. I'm satisfied with this. What I want to do is scroll down and see whether every other thing is okay. Right, every other thing is okay. So what I want to do is click save. Click this to save. Now we are saved. Another thing we want to do is that we don't want this full row to show in the desktop version. So what we want to do is click on this settings, the row settings icon. Once you click on that, you go to advanced. You click on advanced, and when you scroll down to visibility, you want to click on visibility and disable this on desktop and tablet, so it doesn't show on desktop and tablet. So what we want to do is click save and save this. We want to click save. Now this is saved. You see everything you are designing, you can see it right from the front end how it looks with Divi. Alright, now wait for this to save. Alright, this is saved. And what we want to do now is exit Visual Builder. Click on the exit Visual Builder. Right, you can see in the desktop version you don't see any button, so anybody who visits the site from their desktop will have to get the phone out, because you cannot call with a desktop device. Right, so but for anybody who visits with a mobile, to get that on, just click on Control on your keyboard, Control Shift I, or you can visit the page from a mobile device, but I want to demonstrate it from the laptop. So you click on, you tap Ctrl+Shift+I to get a mobile view of your site, right, from your desktop. Now if you scroll down, you will see the Call Now button. If I close this out, the button disappears. To go back to the mobile version or mobile view, you Ctrl+Shift+I on your keyboard and you get the mobile view. And now if you click on it, you'll get the option to call. And if you're on a mobile device, once you click on it, that will take you to your dialer direct on your mobile phone, and the prospect can call you right away. Right, that's how to add a call button to WordPress without using a plugin, using Divi template. If you have any question concerning this lesson, you can ask in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, subscribe, so that you get notification each time we release new videos.